Aloha everyone! Join us as we spend the day in Sacramento. This is our room at the Citizen Hotel. As you can see, Lulu and Kai have a lot of energy after the hour-and-a-half car ride from San Francisco. The California State Capitol Museum is only a 7-minute walk from our hotel. We got lucky and had the front to ourselves for several minutes. That's pretty rare for such an iconic location. After our mini photo shoot at the Capitol, we headed down towards the Sacramento River. We stopped at the sculpture to get a shot of that glowing red tree in the background. It takes about 15 minutes to walk to Tower Bridge from Capitol Museum, so we suggest taking a stroll instead of a car. The dogs really enjoy exploring new places and sniffing things along the way. When you start seeing something bright yellow appear in the distance, you'll know you're almost there. We made it to the famous Tower Bridge. Old Sacramento is next to the bridge and has some fantastic views: gift shops, restaurants, a railroad museum, and the Sacramento History Museum. Walk down the ramp towards the water for a different view of the Tower Bridge. Sacramento's Tower Bridge lifts vertically, allowing boats on the Sacramento River to pass when needed. Old Sacramento is small, but it has a lot to offer. All the stores we went to were dog friendly. If you want to go in with your pet, just ask. We highly recommend spending at least an hour walking around. Your pup will be exhausted afterwards. As you can see, there were hundreds of birds to walk us back. Lulu and Kai got some Mishka cakes as an afterbath treat. If we didn't hold it, the treat would be gone in a bite. Mermaid pups have to rest because they are being featured on Good Day Sacramento in the morning. Fast forward to the next day where we made an appearance on Good Day Sacramento. Carissa talked about her company, Isle Style, and what it's like traveling with Lulu and Kai. If you'd like to watch the Good Day Sacramento segment, the link is below. We want to thank Jordan and the Good Day Sacramento crew for having us. We also want to give a special shout out to Nancy Bernal for everything she's done for us. Don't forget to subscribe to Mermaid Pup Adventures to be able to follow us along on all of our dog-friendly excursions. And for more Mermaid Pup, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Mermaid Pup. Thanks for watching.